Hi, and welcome to my video tutorial on Quizlet, a Web 2.0 tool that is amazing in use as a study tool, which can be used to make flashcards, test, and even study games, and it can be used for people of all ages. This was actually a web tool that was created by a 15-year-old, I believe, while he was taking a French class, and this is a free tool. Of course, you have the option to upgrade, which would give you more packaging options, but of course there's the free option, so can't beat that. So I'm going to go ahead and log in up here, and I'll be back in just a moment. Now that I've logged on, and I do have just the free package, I didn't pay for one of the subscriptions. And to create a study guide set, you can go over here to create a set, give it a title, and this is actually one that I was about to create for the example, but we're going to go ahead and use this, and this will be about animal habitats. Down here you can choose your language. I already have it set to English, but say you're taking a Spanish class and you're learning conjugations or something, this would be a great way to make flashcards for that. But I'm going to have English for both. And say we want to find the definition of a rainforest. Notice how as I was typing that in, right underneath here it says auto define. I'm going to push that, and it gives me different definitions right here. And as you can see, a lot of them were contributed by other users of Quizlet. I'm going to go ahead and just pick the first one. I'm going to select it and use selected definition, and notice it's right here as the definition. So it'll be here's my term and here's my definition. If I don't want to use that, I can also come up with my own definition. I'm going to keep that other one. And then I can go to my next card and say I'm doing one on the desert. I'm going to auto define. And there I have my definition. Say I want to add another term and definition. I can either press the tab on the last box, or I can click there to add row, but I'm going to push tab, and I've created another one. Let's say the ocean. It's another habitat. There we go. And if I want to delete that, I can also go over here to remove this row, and I've gotten rid of those cards. Now what I can do is I can also add images up here. If I want to import other data, I can do that right there. Let's go ahead and save what I have. From here you have the different options of how you want to study. So say right here you can use the flashcards and rainforest, like say you're trying to do this by yourself or even with a partner. You can flip to see the definition and then go to your next card and flip to see. And let's see, let's go back. There's also the learn one where it gives you the definition and you have to write the term. So as you can see, I got it correct, yay! And then there's the speller. So it basically said the term and I have to type what I heard. There's also the test, and then there's a few different games associated with the terms. And so this is one that I've created. Say I would like to look up here. Oh, by the way, down here, I almost forgot to show you. Down here it shows me what terms I've gotten right and which ones I've missed a lot. But since I haven't played a lot with the terms or studied a lot, there's not much data down there. But say I want to search for more term cards on animal habitats. I can see other ones that people have used over here. And it tells you how many terms they have on theirs. So if you want to get some ideas, you can even look at that. I can even look for sets with images on the cards. And some of these teachers or even students have put images on there. So let's see what this person has. Notice they have an image next to each term and definition, and you can star this right here to say that you need to study that. This is if you want to play the audio. And you can notice also over here that you can put them in the original order that they were given, or you can put them in alphabetical order. And of course you can study and play with those terms and definitions as well. So as you can see, this is just a fun way to study. It's a great resource not only for teachers but for students as well. You can always create a list of terms and definitions and then have your students work on that either whether in school or at home. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Quizlet, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.